Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to see how to use CTE, Common Table Expression. CTE is nothing but a temporary result set that can be referenced between a select, insert, update, or delete statement that immediately follows the CTE. So it is a temporary result set. So what is the syntax for it? So generally we use whenever you're creating something, a table, view, or procedure, we use the keyword create, and then the table, view, or procedure. For CT, it starts with the keyword with. There is no create keyword. So with the CT name, we have got two columns. So any number of columns we can add it as the CT query. So what is happening here is the query gets executed and then it is being cached under the CTE name with these columns as output. So this is an employee table and I have got 5 columns inside it. Let's create a CTE on top of it and use it in the select statement. So we're going to see the CTE creation is like with the name of the CTE, which is called test CTE. We have 2 columns CTE and total employees is output for the test CTE. And what is the query I'm going to use inside the CTE, which is select CTE count of one as total employees. So I'm basically what I'm trying to do here is from the employees table data, I'm grouping by city. I'm getting the count of total employees by city. And this output is captured as a CTE with the test CTE name and city total employees. So now this CTE contains city and total employees count. This CTE is immediately referenced in the select statement as a join. So you can use it like a table. So employees data A inner join test CTE B on A.city equal to B.city. You can think of saying that, hey, I can achieve it directly this queries. To give an example on CTE, I'm using a CTE and also joining with the employees data again with the CTE with the condition A.city equal to B.city. So what we have done is we created a CTE. We are able to reference the CTE inside select statement. You can use the CTE inside insert, update, or delete statements as well. Let's show a demo on it. I already created this table employees data with 5 columns. I've inserted few rows. I'm creating a CTE right now with test CTE, whatever we have seen in the PPT. I've created a CTE and I did use the reference the CTE inside the select statement. So let me execute this query. You see that we are getting an output. So CTE accesses temporary data. Now, after creating the CTE, can I give some other select statement? Let's say select arrow. And then I'm trying to use the CTE after this select statement inside below than that I'm using the CTE inside the join. Let's see what happens. You see that common table expression is defined but not used. We are using it, but before using the CTE, we are putting a select statement. If you see the definition of CTE, whatever we have done, it says that immediately follows the CTE. So your select, insert, or update or delete, it should follow immediately. You cannot have any other select statements or anything because the CTE will be not available for you. So that's the reason if you put a select statement before the using the CTE, and if you're having any other SQL statements, the CTE won't work. So you have to remove the select statement and you have to immediately reference the CTE after the CTE creation. Otherwise, it won't work. In this lecture, we have seen how to create CTE and how to use CTE in a select statement.